is it important to reduce the intake of processed sugar like high fructose corn syrup and other highly processed sugar that is used in an average snack or in the box of cereal? The reason being is because it causes this sugar rush and sugar crush because of the high amount of carbohydrates, very little amount of proteins, very little amount of fibers, and very little amount of fat in them to slow down the digestion of these carbohydrates. And that in turn increases the spike of insulin, this hormone, which if you continuously doing this to your body, you are going to be insulin resistant, and type 2 diabetes is going to be next in line for you. So make sure if you are going for a snack, make sure there is a good balance between the amount of carbohydrate and protein, fiber, and fat in this snack, and you want to avoid any processed sugar, like especially like high fructose corn syrup in your snacks.